The Gentoo penguin, Pygoscelis papua, is one of the most remarkable species in the penguin family, easily identified by its distinctive features and behaviors. Standing out among its peers, the Gentoo is known for the white stripe that stretches across the top of its head, giving the appearance of a bonnet. This iconic white patch, coupled with its bright orange-red beak and striking feet, makes the Gentoo penguin a unique and instantly recognizable bird. Gentoos are medium-sized penguins, with adults reaching up to 75 to 90 centimeters in height and weighing between 5 and 8.5 kilograms. Males are generally slightly larger than females, but the difference is minimal. Their bodies are designed for life in the cold Antarctic environment, covered in a layer of dense feathers that provide excellent insulation. Below their feathers, they also have a thick layer of fat to help them withstand freezing temperatures. One of the most impressive traits of the Gentoo penguin is its speed and agility in the water. They are exceptional swimmers and can reach speeds of up to 36 kilometers per hour, making them the fastest swimming penguins. On land, Gentoo penguins are somewhat clumsy but are known for their waddle-like walk. Despite their awkwardness on land, they are highly agile in water, which is their primary habitat. Gentoos are also known for their excellent navigation skills, able to find their way across vast distances to return to their nesting sites. During the breeding season, Gentoos build nests using pebbles, which they carefully gather and arrange. The male often presents pebbles to the female as part of a courtship display, showing off his ability to provide materials for the nest. Gentoo penguins are monogamous during the breeding season, with many pairs returning to the same mate year after year. After laying 2 eggs, both parents take turns incubating them for around 35 days. Once the chicks hatch, they are cared for by both parents, who take turns feeding them. The chicks remain in the nest for a few weeks before forming creches, groups of young penguins, which provide protection while the parents are out foraging. Gentoos are highly social animals, living in large colonies that can consist of thousands of individuals. They communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations and physical gestures, often seen bowing or trumpeting to signal their presence or show dominance. In summary, the Gentoo penguin is a fascinating species, known for its distinctive appearance, impressive swimming abilities, and complex social behaviors. These resilient birds thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth, demonstrating remarkable adaptability and endurance.